Hey, do you want to reach out to 5.44 billion internet users in their native language with 100% human sounding voices? And along with that, you too could create ultra realistic voices for your videos, podcasts, audiobooks, events, and much more in just 3 clicks, even when you're enjoying in the mountains or sipping your favorite cappuccino. That gets 10 times more audience engagement and conversion without doing anything by your side, and the coolest part, you could put this on repeat mode and create ultra-realistic human-like sounds for days, weeks, months, or even years to come with just 3 clicks of your mouse. Feeling lured? Then watch this short video carefully, as it can be the most important for your digital marketing business. Let's face it, unless you're living on Mars, you must be aware that using 100% human-like sounds for your marketing messages has already created a big impact in the digital marketing world. And a large number of businesses are using them in their marketing arsenal to get hordes of audiences hooked like bees to honey. Check out the following numbers that amazed us as well. Videos with natural human-like sounds are shared 6 times more on social media platforms. More than 76% of individuals prefer videos with natural sounds compared to the robotic ones. 89% of individuals accept that viewing videos with human-like sound has influenced them to buy a product or service. 90% of marketers credit human-sounding videos as an effective way for lead generation. 86% of marketers attribute increased website traffic to videos that sounded non-robotic. 93% of brands gained new customers through social media videos that sounded real. So, it's crystal clear that using 100% human-like sounds for your marketing activity is a widely untapped opportunity, and marketers can bank in big by tapping into this huge industry. Now, if you too are willing to grab your pie from this huge opportunity, without hiring expensive voice actors that charge a fortune, without purchasing expensive microphones and other equipment, without recording and re-editing sounds to suit your audience, and without paying huge monthly subscriptions to third parties, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting SoundWavesAI, first to market Microsoft Azure, Amazon Poly, and Google text-to-speech killer technology that clones any voice into ultra-realistic human-like voices in major languages spoken globally. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step 1, log in. Step 2, clone or create. Step 3, use and profit. Here are some of the amazing benefits inside SoundWavesAI. Turn old, boring robotic voices into pro-quality, real human voices. Convert any voice into ultra-realistic sound with as small as 10 seconds audio clip. Clone voices in hottest languages spoken globally in 3 clicks. Instantly create 100% fresh studio-quality voices without any expensive equipment or complicated software. Convert any existing voiceover into readable text smoothly. Smartly convert any video voice into SEO-optimized content. Easily extract audio from your favorite video. Convert any normal voice into 10 times engaging ebook like a pro. Convert any podcasts into highly popular voices that your audience loves. Instantly change any text into soul-soothing voiceover for tons of red-hot niches. Trim any audio clips without any complex processes. Replace 15+ complicated and expensive voice cloning apps once and for all. Repurpose your existing videos into 10 times more powerful and profitable. Engage max audience and boost traffic sales and conversions. Instantly reach out to red-hot prospects and convert them into lifetime buyers. 0 voiceover recording, 0 voice editing, or 0 freelancers needed. Save thousands of dollars on third-party voice creation apps and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Also, during this exclusive launch deal, you're also getting our limited-time commercial license for no additional fee to provide high, in-demand voiceover creation services to hungry clients and bank big. So, be sure to take advantage of this while it's available at this crazy low one-time discounted price. Also, if you grab your copy today, you get premium bonuses worth $14,858 completely for free. As always, your purchase is backed by our rock-solid 30-day guarantee. There's no risk whatsoever attached. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Take my word, this is truly a game changer, and there is nothing like this out there at such a low price. Don't forget that this is a limited time offer and will be taken down at any moment in time. So don't wait, hit the button below to get instant access to SoundWavesAI right now. Good luck, and we look forward to helping you using this awesome technology to get 10 times audience attention, hands down.